Hello everybody, and this is Lord Games, and we're here. We're gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's. Alright guys? So since it's about to be Halloween, so I should play scary games. Let's do this. Oh crap. Oh, okay.
I wanted to
Oh.
record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups
Posters,
alike, where
pictures.
fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been
Okay,
thoroughly cleaned and
so
bleached.
once Halloween
Never
comes
play.
up, I'm gonna play
Blah, blah, blah.
FNAF 4 or
Now,
Five
that
Nights at
might
Freddy's
sound bad,
4.
I know, but there's really
Since it
nothing to
will be
worry about.
hard and scarier.
The animatronic characters
So
here
yeah.
do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit.
Yeah,
There might be
Bonnie's
some
already
kind of
left.
free
Yeah.
roaming mode at
Yeah.
night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too. But then there
I'm
was
going
the
back
mice in
to
'87.
something happens,
Yeah.
but not
It's
yet.
amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now,
Alright, I skipped some hours so that things could get fused. Since I can't see anything. Oh, there you go. I found you. 55% at 3 a.m. Halfway there to win this 4 more hours. 2 more hours. Heck no, heck no, heck no. Yeah, sorry I skipped some, but some noises was happening here. See what I mean? Okay. 5 a.m. One more, and I'm done. Yep. Okay. Now let's move on to the second night, and once I complete the second night, I'll be done with this video. Alright? Yeah, we know already. Chica's like out. Alright, there's Chica. Okay. Now they're aggressive at me.
Comes on more active in the dark, though. So, hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right?
Yeah.
Also,
Alright.
to emphasize the
Oh,
importance
crap.
of using your door lights, there are blind spots that your camera views, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door lights. You might only have a few seconds to react.
Yeah, I have a
Not
few
that you'll be
seconds to
escaping, of
react.
course. I'm not implying
Alright.
that. Also, check
Things
on
are
the
going
person's
good.
pirate pose from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active if the cameras remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control.
Alright.
Talk to you soon.
Yeah, talk to you soon. Crap. Conserve power. It's not there. Okay, okay, oh. Alright, he's still there. Alright, he's gone, he's gone. Oh my god. I feel like chica gonna come. Still 3 a.m. I'm gonna skip some. I skipped some, but I'm still almost out of power. Oh my gosh. Nobody's coming at me. Heck no. I'm gonna win this, am I? Yup. And you see me pass the night. I did not die. So, I'm gonna come back for another video. So, comment me to what to do in the Five Nights at Freddy's, yeah.